Good morning, guys. It's the last day of my day off today, so I need to... And how's everybody? I'm just thinking, I need to get my parcel, which arrived Monday. So today is Wednesday. I think it's 21st of June. And yeah, so let's turn the light off. That's my newly found place for my stuff, and it's yeah, so I gotta get that parcel anyway. I'm just thinking, not sure how to get that one while I'm doing my washing, and then I am so come with me, guys. We'll go and get that parcel, and yeah, we'll be back. Coming with me. Oh, it's a beautiful day. Would be handy if I lock the door. Oh, that's better. So now we can go. It's not that far, but it's a beautiful day. It's not that far. I gotta fix this chair later, because we got a visitor at night time. There's a cat who likes to sleep there, and my hubby is not that hot crush with the cat, so he doesn't like it when he comes out and the cat is there. I gotta change my shoes. I'll be back for that one in a minute, so we can go. So let's get this parcel, guys, and I'm cooking in slow cooker kari-kari beef. I'm boiling the oxtail and the beef cubes. I don't know if I want to go to the butcher. I will have a look. So yeah, so I didn't want to go to wash the car yesterday. It's my day off and I meant to wash it. So anyway, I'm going, and I shall see you. If I can go to the butcher, I'll take you with me. If not, then I'll see you back at home. So guys, there I'm gonna get the parcel in this little post office, because as you know, our town is only small. So let's go. And the guy just waved to me. Ooh. Morning. Hi, Pat. Morning. Hello. How I got parcel?
There you go.
Thank you. Yeah. See you later.
Yeah.
Ito na, guys, ang parcel. May nakita ako na compartment sa bag ko. Ayan o. Pwede ko lalagyan ng susi. Tapos kabit ko siya kung kailangan. Tapos yan lang o. Madaling hanapin pala. Ang ganda ng bag na to. Gustong gusto ko siya. Maganda na purchase yan na. Minsan nakakabili ako ng bag, useless talaga eh. Tapos minsan hindi ko akalain makabili ako. Ganda naman. Lagay sa bahay na. Ayun. At saka pala, yung mga tanim, pinakita ko ba sa inyo? Ito. Yung sinasabi ko na yung ano siya, yung namamatay siya sa frost. Linipat ni Morris lahat sa pots. Yeah, he moved it all in the pot so it doesn't die in the frost. So, ayan sila. There they are. Ayan. And he's got some a bit more on that side. Linagay niya yan. So the frost doesn't kill them. And yeah, and yesterday I watered here. That's why they're wet. Yan. So in a little while the sun will come on the other side here, and that will dry that area, which is really good. When the sun is not heating up the around the house, it's a little bit cold. So in winter time it's very hard. But this winter so far has been only cold, but we didn't really suffer with rain, or not yet. We still got a fair bit. For this is only the first month of winter, so we still got, you know, a fair bit yet to go. Another 2 months and a week. So yeah. Oh, my shoes. I will get on the other side. I come out on the other side. I forgot my inside the house shoes. Roxy is waiting. Wait. I will get my shoes. You stay inside. Nalimutan ko. Dinaanan ko lang yung shoes ko. Kasi nagkukwentuhan. Dal. Yan siya. So, itatago ko yung shoes ko dito underneath the cover para hindi. Okay guys, we shall open this. Very cute. Very cute. Ito pala siya. Yung ano. Selfie stick. Ay, selfie stick. Phone stand. Yung ganyan. Ayun, ganda. Gamitin ko nga to. Maganda, maliit lang siya. Ito siya. Yan. Dadalhin ko pag nag-holiday na kami. Yan. Para may lagyan mo. So, that's nice. And I think I got one more to come. ColourPop, made in the USA, made with love in the USA. This one is a zipper. ColourPop. I like ColourPop. So now I got my own in my collection because I don't have any. I think I got 4 of these, and that's enough for me. I don't need too many, but I just need to cover the color that I sort of might need for my clothes when I go somewhere. It's always nice to, oh yeah, I like that, the purple one. Yeah, zipper. Yeah. So I've got them, which is, so guys, I will cook my rice first. So I'm using now my little tripod that I just showed you in this unboxing. I was waiting for it, and because I thought it's good. So yeah, but for some reason, yeah, it does move a little bit when you sort of move it. It moves not the place that you want. I'll get used to it. So first time I have tried using the stand. I had a white one before, but it wasn't really strong. So what happened is I had to get rid of it. It's there somewhere, but it can't hold my phone. It goes like that. This one is not too bad. It holds the camera, and it holds the phone, which is good. So I just cook myself rice. I can eat the meant to be kare-kare, and I shall cook it in a minute. And you'll come with me if you wanna have a look, because now you are on a stand, which is, it's quite handy actually. Yeah, and it's not, my face is not too big. Sometimes my face is right on the thing, which is good. So Ang ganda pala ng tripod na yan eh. It's a cool tripod. The one that I just showed you in the unboxing. It's very strong. I thought it's tiny. It's gonna go like that. Because I had the little one. Similar to that, the white one. But it's very thin and it's very light. That one is quite stable. So I hope it should last me a while. Maybe I should order another one just for backup. Because I might not find it anymore. We're going to Philippines and they should sell it there. But sometimes the quality is not what you want. So that one's good actually. So I'll order another one. I don't know where did I order it. I think it's Australia. It's Australian site, I think. So pretty good. So I'm going to have something to eat in a minute. It's really good vlogging like this, huh? That you can hold the camera, you know, much better. So yeah, so I shall enjoy this tripod. I bet you. So guys, I will continue and I shall put you on the side first and I'll come back and I'll get back to you and I shall see you in a bit. So guys, nakaluto na. Nearly finished yung niluluto ko na kare-kare. Linagyan ko lang siya ng bok choy at saka beans kasi wala akong eggplant. Iba kasi ako magluto ng kare-kare guys. Ano lang, yung dire-diretso, hindi ko siya yung talagang ini-step by step kasi kami lang naman eh. And then I put the stew base and then just the peanut butter. But first, I boiled the meat into my slow cooker. Ngayon, nagluluto ako ng chicken necks na in-slow cook ko siya for adobo. So ito, ganyan lang. And then when it's finished, nalagay ko lang sila lahat dyan. Wala, tapos. Kasi pag maraming step, hindi kasi ako sumusunod ng recipe. Ganyan ako magluto. So, kung ano ang easiest for me and the quickest, yan lang ang ginagawa ko. So, yan, kumukulo na siya. But the meat is already boiled. Yan. So, gulay na lang. Ito, pwede na to. Pwede na siya. Makakain. Pwede na natin kainin. Oh, ang bango, ang bango. Pwede na ako mag-lunch. Ayan. So, I can turn this off. Actually, pwede na siya i-turn off. Takpan ko lang. At saka hindi ako kumakain ng bagoong. I used to like it long time ago, pero nagkaroon ako ng mga scratches pag kumakain ako niya, nangangati kaagad ako. I don't know what happened to me. Pero noon, Diyos ko, bagoong, yes. Fire up. Pag umuwi ako sa atin, minsan makakain ako ng may bagoong na ulam. Natatakot ako, baka mangati ako. Pero, minsan hindi, minsan mayroon. So, ina-aware ko na lang na hindi kakain ng may ganyan kasi baka magka-allergy ako. Yung kapatid ko ganyan eh, may allergy siya. Pero mabuti naman makakain ako ng seafoods, you know. So, okay lang. Yung rice ko, kumukulo. So, pwede na ako ng plate ko. I really like this holder. I really, really like this, yung holder ng camera. Ganda. So, lagay ko muna kayo dyan, guys, and I shall see you in a few minutes. Ay, there we are. We're back again. So, guys, let's eat. Let's shall eat. And here's my lunch for today. The kare-kare that I made. And I'm having rice. So, yes, let's eat, everybody. And I wish I could share this with you. But I started cooking the meat last night. And then I just put the vegetables today before I have something to eat. And I can hear a fly. Wait. Kain tayo. Let's eat, guys. It tastes good without the bagoong. I wanted to eat bagoong, but I'm worried I might, get my skin allergy. Because it gets all over my body. Before, I'm not like that. Sarap. Tapos guys, I will go back to work tomorrow. And I think until next week. Until Tuesday. So I go 6 days straight and then 2 days rest and sometimes 1 day rest. It depends. But our farm will close in September and then I'll move to another new farm and hopefully I'll go back to the farm when the new chickens come. So I don't want to see my chicken go. So no, when they pick up the chickens, I normally don't go there. I don't see them because I think I'll cry. Because you know, when I arrive at work, I do talk to them and they know that you're there. You know, sometimes they follow you or, you know, except for some of the roosters, they beat you up and get bruises on the legs. But the hens are pretty good. They're my babies. And it's sort of a relationship between the chickens and me. Chicken whisperer. Ang sarap nito. It's good to eat some vegetables. Sometimes. I don't like to eat meat all the time. I'd like some veggies, you know. So in a few weeks time, we'll go for our holiday. And I will enjoy the food in Philippines. We can go to Chowking again, Mang Inasal, Jollibee. In Bacolod, we have a Kansi house. They sell the Kansi beef. It's nice. Oh, sarap. The sauce is yummy. Peanut butter sauce. Baka kulang yung kanin ko. Ang sarap ng sabaw. Pag uwi mamaya ni Mati at ni Morris, nako, ang dami kong linuto sa kanila. And then at the moment I'm cooking the chicken eggs. I'm boiling it in the beef soup and then I'll make it adobo. So hopefully that'll turn up really good. Kahit favorite ni Morris at ni Mati, may ano pala ko. Ni Morris at ni Mati yan. Sarap guys. Sana nandito kayo. Kain tayo. Lumamig guys, lumamig. Tapos na ako. Gusto ko pang kumain eh. Naubos ko. Yun. Look. Gusto ko pa sanang kumain. Mamaya na lang pagdating ni Morris. Ito na lang yung sabaw. Sarap. Minsan-minsan, masarap kumain ng pagkain natin. Pero talaga ako almost everyday may pagkain na related sa Filipino foods. Na pagkain na Filipino. Ito na guys ang luto ko na chicken eggs. Inadobo ko lang siya. Paborito ni Mr. Yan. So yan lang. Linagyan ko. Ang vinegar na ginamit ko is apple cider. So, ililipat ko siya sa container. So, ililipat ko siya guys sa container. Para na ready na siya. Darating na si Morris in 15 minutes. Para makakain siya. Nagluluto ako early Para pagdating niya makakain siya kasi gutom. Tapos pag hintayin ko pa mga alas 6, alas 7, hindi na siya gutom kasi kumain na siya ng kung ano-ano sa fridge, yung ganyan. So pag nasa bahay lang talaga ako, I cook beforehand na tina-timing ko na before he comes home I already cook. Just finished, and then he will sit down straight away, and then he will look around what to eat, and then when he sees it, he eats straight away. Makes him happy, and then he doesn't look for things to eat if there's already food ready. And then we can have a rest early because obviously we both go to work. So like tomorrow I'm going to work and he's going to work, so we can have a rest early and just chill. It gives me time to as well do my YouTube, do my Facebook, do my Messenger, talking to my family. Very busy on that time because the time frame is different in Philippines. They're 2 hours behind us, so they're sort of coming in as I am having a break. So yeah, so I always make sure that I cook beforehand. He comes home after 4 o'clock, so about 4:30, I'm already serving food. It's already done. By 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, too late. He doesn't feel like eating because he already ate everything there or go out. So here's the adobo, guys. Luto. So ito na sila, guys. Adobo is cooked. And then ito, just reheat. Yung kare-kare din, I got rice. And that's it. It's just ready for Mati and Maurice to come. What's that, Rock? Daddy is home. Dad's home. Come. Let's see. Don't go near the door. You hiding underneath. Why are you hiding underneath? See, Daddy's home. Why are you hiding?
Daddy's home.
She's hiding underneath the table.
Why?
I don't know.
What are you hiding under there? Uncle Leafy gave me some oranges.
Oh, wow, cool. Oranges from Uncle Leafy. This is gonna be sweet.
Yeah, I think
Looks
they're nails.
sweet. Then wait po, Mari. So guys, pwede na ito i-close ang vlog na to. Medyo mahaba na ha. So here I will say bye-bye everybody and see you next time. Thank you so much for watching and thank you so much for subscribing everybody. And for my new subbies, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. And yeah, to everybody and everyone who watches this and supporting my channel, really, really, really thank you so much. And you know what? God bless everybody. Stay beautiful. And of course, most of all, stay sexy, everybody. Bye from me. This is Cindy from Australia. Thank you.